Did anybody order some pink lava?
No. Oh.
Cheesy.
Oh, that's a hungry box. We could just go like this.
That would be
Hey guys.
pretty epic. Ah, they didn't give us a fork. Epic. They're just normal. This is normal chicken and level 0 spiciness, because I got level 2 last time and it fracked up my stomach.
Let's see if there's gonna be any spice at all now. I really have no clue.
So we both got the same box here, the like premium
Hungry box.
hungry box, and we both got pink lava, which we also don't have a straw for. I can unsheathe these swords. Oh gosh, this is really on there. Why would they give us a fracking straw? Just poke it with the nail clippers that we cut our nails with.
I licked my thumb and I know the flavor.
Oh frack! Oh, it broke the cup. Oh shoot, get a towel. Oh no, it's on the carpet. It broke the fracking cup. Are you kidding me right now? It's cracked like halfway down.
This towel's gonna be fracking pink, that's all I know.
Oh no! Come on! How did that happen? Are you fracking kidding me?
That's fracked.
Yeah. Alright, that's a bad start for the Richeese Factory. Cup quality is low. I'll test mine from back here. I don't know what you guys saw, but the fracking cup broke like halfway down this thing. Look at that. How does that even happen? I just poked it with my thumb because they didn't give us any other way to poke it.
This towel is now pink. What's your thoughts on the drink? It's like a mild bubble gum.
That's very strange. Oh, it is bubblegum, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, half of mine's on the floor now, so I won't get to experience that bubblegumness.
Just hope they don't notice.
Hey everybody, welcome to the Richeese Factory. Everything was just ruined and my life is over.
Someone say your disappointment is immeasurable.
It is immeasurable. Let's start off this video. Sorry if it's like totally out of whack or we're like off to not even. We can't see. We don't have a good setup
We
in
just
here.
got hungry.
I'm gonna eat this rice. That's a lot better than a lot of the other fast food rices.
Yeah, it's pretty dang solid.
It's like actually separated. It's not just one mass. I guess we'll try this fried cheese. Fried cheese.
Oh, it's really hard to put.
Is that leather or fried cheese?
Literally. Tastes good though.
It does taste good. Wow, it tastes very cheesy for how fried it is.
It tastes kind of like if you fried cheese, to be honest.
It kind of does. Fried cheese. I'm glad we have no silverware for any of this either. Onto the pom-poms, whatever the frick they're called. I think they're pom-poms. Palm right in. Oh, little mashed potato ball.
Yeah. Tastes like kind of like if you were to make a ball and fill it with mashed potatoes.
Really?
Yeah.
That's pretty dang good. Okay. Next we'll move on to, we'll save the fire wing for last. We'll move on to our, what is supposed to be a boneless piece of chicken, but this looks like there's bones in there. I cannot tell. All right, here we go. Whoa. Wow, it's very juicy.
Oh, really juicy.
It tastes good.
That's some good quality chicken, my gosh.
Oh, what the heck?
It's juicy and crunchy on the outside, my gosh.
Oh, thank you. Look at this thing. Tell me it's you.
It's literally dripping.
What the heck? Mmm. That's
Wow.
really good.
Okay.
That's really good.
The flavor on it's really good too.
That's very surprising.
Can finish off.
With some rice. Oh yeah.
Nummy. That was nummy.
Now the fire wings, which we got level 0. So, how are they gonna be hot? I don't know. Bink.
Sweet.
Very sweet. Very sweet.
It's almost like a honey sauce.
Yeah, it's not spicy at all.
No.
Could've got level 1.
For some reason, they only had 0 and 1 on grab.
Yeah, so we were scared. We were like, is
1 gonna be crazy? But then when we went in the store, they had 0 to 5.
so what the heck? Now I'm gonna dip some of this chicken, the juicy stuff, into the cheese sauce.
Mmm.
Look at that cheesy dip right there, baby. I'm glad I can't drink my frackin' pink lava now.
I can't get this open. You
Oh,
can try
no.
it.
Please don't erupt. Whoa. Wow, that's very cheesy cheese.
Richeese?
Rich cheesy. It's kind of like a mac and cheese type of cheese. Like a Kraft mac and cheese.
Really?
Yeah. That is very interesting. It's pretty good. I'm enjoying it.
I can't get my fracking open right now. My hands are too
Greasy.
greasy. Or juicy, I should say.
It's a very greasy word / juicy. Well, we can't pause the camera, so this is gonna be a mukbang now.
Richeese Factory, pretty dang solid. The drink, all the pictures, and everyone in the store had this drink.
It's weird.
It's weird. It's not really. It's like if you were to have a bubblegum drink, but just take out the sugar. It's not very sweet.
The cups kind of suck.
Yeah, but then everything else we tried is really good.
Really good. And it also sucks not to have a fork.
Yeah, or any utensil, especially a straw.